innovative computer-based learning system, specially designed for preschoolers and first-grade elementary school students, basically children from 5 to 7 years old. Multikid integrates a dynamic software program with interactive activity table comprising of 5 buttons as well as 14 push buttons. Multikid has a variety of concrete materials which are basically different blocks teaching children geometrical shapes which have different colors. It has special cards for doing different activities together with the software. It has 5 special mats which fit into the table, into the interactive table, and which are used for a specific topic and for the specific activity. Multikid consists of 12 topics which basically cover over 113 activities, which reflects over 1,500 learning hours. The topics of Multikid are at work, my home, transport means, seasonable matters, basically all those areas which kids learn in the preschool age and also in the first grade of elementary school. Now I would like to show you one of the activities at work. The topic at work teaches children different professions, what I will be when I grow, what are my parents. It helps the teacher to create lots of activities based on discussing, which are aimed at developing communicative skills of children. It also allows the teacher to create activities aimed at creative writing in order to allow children speak about their future profession, which allow children to prove why they made this or that choice. And so I would like to show you one of the activities. As I told you, part of the Multikid are special mats which are used for different activities, which are used for different topics. And this particular mat is used for this activity. This mat fully copies what children see on the screen. There are special cards with the pictures of professions, with names of professions, with the tools which are used in the professions, which are used in this activity. And this activity helps kids to develop associative thinking, to develop logical thinking, to develop vocabulary, to develop communicative skills. Basically, we see the picture of certain representative of a certain profession, as well as tools which are used in this profession, and children need to find the most close tool which might be also used in this profession. So me as a teacher, I can first of all discuss with kids what they see on the picture. What is this profession? If they have parents or close relatives or friends which attribute to this profession. And for example, here we see the teacher, so we can ask the kids, what is the teacher? What teachers do? What are the things which teachers use in their profession? And based on that, we can start a discussion. Then the kids need to find the special and right answer which most fits to this profession. This activity is aimed not only at developing vocabulary, but also at developing memory, visual memory, and also at developing attention, because there is a special cell which was lit up during activity and children had to remember in which cell to put a specific object. For example, I was not attentive, I didn't notice what appeared there, and I don't know in which cell I need to put my answer, so I can ask a help from the computer, from the software. So I see where I need to place the card. I need to select the best answer. I believe that this is the book, because teachers use books in their profession. Immediately I get the feedback. Also, what it allows to the teacher is to involve kids into the group activity, because some kids can interact with the software, some kids can do the same activity but using our cards and our special mat. So basically, the whole sense of this activity is to complete the logical chain, to fit the tool to the profession, to fit the name of the profession, which is written in letters, to the picture of the profession, to fit the tool to the name of the tool, and many other things. It gives the teacher the possibility to be creative, to create topics for discussion, for the kids to learn different professions, to be able to speak about those professions, to be able to associate themselves to different professions. Another activity which I would like to show you seasonal batters, which is basically the part of science, and which helps children to get acquainted with different seasons, to understand the differences between the seasons, to understand which seasons they have in their country and which seasons they don't have, to be able to learn different vocabulary, to be able to learn the different characteristics of that particular season. And one of the activities, for example, for the preschoolers or even for young kids, is to sort the clothes according to the season. We see our funny characters, which basically the children will see in different activities, that is pudding and cream puff, and we see different clothes which they need to sort according to the season. Important to say about Multikid that Multikid can be used using our interactive keyboard or using a simple mouse. So based on this activity, we discuss with kids first of all what are the name of clothes that they see, when they wear those clothes and how they are used. It's very exciting, and based on this activity, for example, the teacher can create special cards, give them to the kids. Kids need to find the card which attributes to the specific part of the clothes which they see in the screen. So basically, all activities allow the teacher to be creative, allow the teacher to create additional content, allow the teacher to create additional lessons based on the instructions from the software. Multikid is exciting, Multikid is creative. Multikid gives a teacher a tool to create lots of content and lots of lessons and lots of activities with children. Multikid allows the teacher to use its own experience while creating the tasks which are based on the software and based on all those didactic materials which can be used during the lesson. Multikid is aimed at group work because it's important that kids will develop communicative and social skills. It's important that children will interact between themselves, that they will be able to prove their standpoint, that they will be able to ask questions, to listen. And Multikid gives lots of hours of education and exciting learning.